Namaskar. A very good morning, good afternoon, and a wonderful good evening to all of you again. And I am very thankful and full of gratitude for all the overwhelming response we had from the yesterday's episodes. And there were a lot of likes, views, comments, beautiful comments, and it's really motivating for us. And with all this work that we have done, the hard work that we have done, I'm very happy that you have liked it, enjoyed it. And with this, I, Acharya Shama, bring the second episode of Falgun Mahotsav 2021. Like I always say, that if you have one gift from the God, preserve that, nurture that, and present that, and be that gift to the world. We are so busy in our daily lives, from the morning till night. We do n number of things, and currently there is a multitasking going on in our lives. So when you sit at the end of the day with yourself and think about the one moment which you felt really very happy and contented, be it a project that in your office hours that you are passionate about to be a part of, be quality time spent with your child, learning and enjoying, or even be chasing a dream which you want to pursue. Everything is so different. Every task is different. But in all these tasks, there is one thing very common, is the heart. When you put a heart in everything that you do, you feel contented and immense happiness after this, you know. So the crux of this, the gist of this, all these talk is when you put the heart in your art, and the result that you find is that what we are going to witness today with our second guest, Sakshi Tiwari ji, our guest of honor. And there are a lot of achievements and after her name, and there's a list with me, but only few of the achievements I would like to share with you. Rest she will be sharing with you. She has been a faculty in Kalashri for past 5 years, and she has bagged scholarship from Ministry of Culture in the field of Kathak dance. She also received Best Educator Award organized by SCL Rhythms Research Center, Mumbai. And she is now a graded artist in Doordarshan, and also performed on the top of that in Khajuraho Festival, which is an annual festival and just very, very well known. Okay, with this, I would like to welcome Sakshi Tiwari ji with us. Namaskar, Sakshi ji.
Namaste.
How are you?
I'm
beautiful. And you are looking very beautiful today, I must say.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Very much for joining with us. And there are a lot of questions that's coming in my mind, and I know that our viewers has a lot of questions for that. And I would like to ask you, from which part of India you are, and where do you belong from?
I belong from Uttar Pradesh, UP.
Okay.
Yeah. So right now I'm residing in Delhi NCR right now.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. But my roots are attached to Uttar Pradesh.
Wow, very beautiful. And please tell us about some of your academics or professional qualification.
I've completed my bachelor's in philosophy
Oh,
from Delhi University, and then I decided, like, my admission was done in MA Kathak,
mhm,
and simultaneously MA in philosophy also. So I
mhm.
had to choose actually where to go. So yeah, so I left my MA philosophy and I went for MA in Kathak. So I've done
That is
MA in Kathak
so,
from Kerala.
yeah, that is so inspiring because when you follow your passion and yeah, so I'm so happy that you shared this with us. And this is where you are right now because when you follow your heart and
Yeah.
you are living that moment, I know you are living that choice that you have made for yourself. Yes. Thank you so much. I would like our viewers to watch one of her beautiful performance, which is called Ardhanarishwar. And can you please explain a bit of that in your own words
Yes.
for those?
Ardhanarishwar, as the name depicts, like it's half male, half female, masculine, feminine. If I say in Hindi, then it's Prakriti and Purush.
Wow.
तांडव और लास्य का एक सुंदर सा समावेश जैसे हम
Right,
कहें,
right.
right? Yes, so
Male and the female part, the powerful and the graceful part.
graceful. Yes. So today I'm going to present Ardhanarishwar. In that, the first portion is Kavit, that has been written by Lachu Maharaj ji, and Padant is by Kathaguru Pradipta Chakrabarti ji. So in that, very beautifully, he has described about how half male and half female, that साइड बाय साइड, अर्धशीर्ष पे शशि उजियारा, अर्धशीर्ष गंगा की धारा. तो उन्होंने अर्ध अंग पे पूरा पूरा जो है उसको डिस्क्राइब किया हुआ है. जो दूसरा पक्ष है वो बिरजू महाराज जी ने लिखा है और उन्होंने गाया भी है. सब कुछ उन्हीं का है उसमें. उन्होंने भी इसी रूप को ही आगे बताया है, लाइक वाद्यार नारेश्वर. इट्स इन ताल, तीवड़ा ताल, 7 मात्रा.
Wow, great. So I cannot wait anymore. So I will just play.
Sure.
Yes.
She should Thank you.
Sakshi ji. I was watching all the beautiful comments that we are getting on Facebook Live, and so many people have joined us now. Here it is like 11 a.m. in on Sunday, so still people are, it's like weekend, so people are so busy in the morning, but still they are doing like wow, beautiful moments, such very beautiful and mind-blowing performances, very lovely. And I would like to say, really, it was like an epitome of divinity when you danced, Ms. Ardnareshwar, and over that with the beautiful white costume that you had. It's an aura of beauty, and what an expression. Thank you so much
Thank you so much.
for
Thank you.
sharing this beautiful piece with our
Thank you.
viewers, and it's a treat for the eye, I would say. Yes.
Thanks a lot.
My next question would be, so how you got connected with Shri Guru Pardipto Chakravarti ji, and how was your journey in Kathak?
Actually, we met through a program. We were doing some program, and first time we met in the rehearsal hall, actually.
Okay. Okay.
We met in the rehearsal hall, and from there, he always said like, you're a good dancer, you should do more practice and everything. You always used to guide me like a mentor. And then I started doing programs.
Already learning Kathak at that time.
Yes, I was learning. And I started performing also side by side. Yeah. So later on, then he said, like, you should train yourself much better now. Go ahead, go. So then I said to him that, can you train me? And I've done my basics, everything I've done. So I know those things. I wanted like, can you train me? He was like, yes. As always, with open arms, like he welcomes everybody.
Yeah.
So yes, then I started myself like training under him.
Wow,
This is how we are still attached, and I still go to him.
Wow,
Because it's endless and we have a lot more to do.
Yes. No, I mean, yes, like yesterday also in the episode, we were talking about learning has no cutoff. We learn till our end of the life. Yes, I would like to see the next part, the technical part. And if you can share with the viewers what is it this technical piece is about, and explain them maybe, because there are Kathak and non-Kathak both. So I would like your help to explain that.
Next piece is technical part. The next, like the earlier part was the bhav, the expressions was there, right? Now the pure technical part that I'm going to present, that is teen tal. I think that's the most versatile tal. Any layman, it clicks very quickly, that I feel.
Right.
So that's why I chose teen tal, as because as you said, there are Kathak dancers and the non-Kathak dancers also. So that tal clicks a lot. So my next presentation is in teen tal, beautiful tukda tihais, uthan, the technical portion that are there in teen tal. So I'm going to present that.
Thank you so much. I would like to tell our viewers that Teen Tal is, like Sakshi ji said, it is one of the most common, popular, and highly respected tal. It is, I think, considered as a king of all tal.
Yeah, the Raja tal.
Raja tal, yes, the Raja tal, and the Raja, which like few people don't know about like Hindi, because other countries are also joining with us. So Raja means king, so it's the king of all tals, and in music. And Sakshi ji, we are going to witness the technical part of Kathak in that Raja tal, which is Teen Tal. Thank you.
Hey,
साक्षी जी, बहुत सारे
हाँ जी।
बेशुमार क्वेश्चंस भी आए आपके इस ब्यूटीफुल टेक्निकल पार्ट को देखकर. What grace, beauty, and the stance that you took at some and every some, it was like marvelous, graceful. कुछ मेरे पास सवाल है मुझे. What a perfection, mind blowing. अब बहुत पढ़ना है, अब पढ़ते चले जा रहे हैं हम. And I have few questions that a few of them have asked, like Megha ji has asked that how many years of are required for Kathak learning? So if you want to
How many years are required?
So,
The biggest example that I have is like Maharaj ji, or in fact Pradipta Dada.
ji,
They all are still improvising themselves.
yeah,
Still
ji,
they want to do something new after I think
yes,
doing 20-25 years. And Maharaj ji too, I think from the
right,
age of 4 now he's 80 above.
still polishing
So you
it.
can, yeah, no, not in fact polishing also, and creating something new always.
Yes, creating something new.
That
Yes,
is
you're
also
right.
also there. So
Yes,
I don't think that there's something years that I can count.
yes, yes,
But at least if you're saying ki just you want to like learn,
yes,
but in certain good ways.
right.
So I
right.
would say at least 15-10 years you
Yes.
need to do
I think they wanted to
with
ask, like,
determination.
they wanted to ask you how many years you have been learning Kathak.
It's been 11 years now.
11 years now. Yes. Wow, great. And Ashish ji has asked, what is the right age for the kids to get enrolled in Kathak?
Okay. I started at the age of 14.
Yes.
Some students start at the age of 5, 6.
Yeah, I think there is no right age.
Right age, actually. Yeah.
There is passion. If there is passion, also at the age of 3, 4, I think.
But yes, for classical, that understanding that one should have, so at least 5+, I would say, because of their understanding for the classical.
Yeah, for the technical
At least,
part, and what is that exactly?
Yes, so at least 5+ is needed.
Needed, yes. Thank you very much. And yes, which is my answer. It was one of my questions also. Kirti ji has asked that, what inspired you to learn Kathak?
Okay.
It's a vast, I know, it's a vast answer.
It's a very good story, actually, that I see from my school. One competition was there in school while I was in 6th standard. I was like 11, 12 years old.
Okay.
So there was semi-classical, and I could not do that much properly. But that time I saw something like, yes, Bharatanatyam, Kathak, yeah, classical like things are there. Obviously, we always claim to Bollywood is very much, available to us in the television. So we know Bollywood much more than classical, obviously. So there, my interest developed, and I said I wanted to learn then Kathak.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, so very luckily, my Guruji's institute, she opened in my locality.
Right.
And I rushed my father.
You got inclined towards.
Yes. And she just had opened her institute here. I did not know that she doesn't live here. So I every day I used to go and knock the door.
Okay.
I was playing outside, then I got the bells, hearing the bells. I rushed there. I took my father, like, now you have to go. But I said I'll learn for like 6 months.
With the
I don't know.
I understand the bells and tal and everything. I think we have to get our second guest, which is a special guest, and she is Priyanka Rajput, and she will say about herself. I just ask her to join us. She was already with us, watching all your performances, and she will be with us within a few moments. She is joining. Yes, and she has been learning Kathak since 1.5 years. And she started in her adult age, and she is
no age to start.
Yes, no age to start. Priyanka ji, namaskar. How are you?
Pranam Acharya, namaste Sakshi ji.
Namaste.
And happy Holi to all of you.
And happy Holi, yes.
Happy Holi, yes.
All our viewers, a very, very happy Holi. Thank you. Priyanka ji, you were watching Sakshi ji's beautiful performances. Can you please tell in her own words how you felt?
Right, and I think I commented too, right? It was so seamless. I was just watching and everything was just going in a flow.
Yes.
It felt so effortless. And now since I just started learning Kathak, I now realize the more effortless it looks on the performer side, the more effort it
Have
takes
to
for
put,
the performer to do that.
yeah,
So
well,
yes,
That's
actually, it was
very well said.
beautiful. I mean, I
thank
was
you so
just
much.
watching it, with a smile on my face.
Great.
Thank
Priyanka
you.
ji, I would like you to say something about yourself, your introduction, and your career. You are doing also a job, and still you are following your passion, and how you got, so something about you in brief to our viewers.
Yeah, sure. So yeah, you know my name now. I'm Priyanka Rajput. I have been into dance for quite some time, but I've been doing mostly Bollywood. Never really trained into anything. Uh, so I always liked the classical dances, specifically Kathak, because it felt so natural and so effortless that it just you could just stand and try to mimic something. It won't be absolutely technically correct, but you could still tell that okay, you're trying to express. So I found it very, very expressive. And when I got to know that Acharya is
Mhm.
coming here, um,
Okay.
and that just gave the light, okay, that we could do it, because earlier growing
Yeah.
up never had a chance. But yeah, now we got the chance and I didn't want to miss it.
Yeah, we are
You're as
So
lucky as
living
I
the
was.
dream, living the dream right now, still in the
right,
journey, I would
yeah,
say.
so just
Priyanka
getting
ji,
started. I know there's a long way to go, but I'm very really very excited for this journey.
You've
yes.
been lucky, like I was. She
Yeah,
came to you.
yeah, I would
Thank
say, because I mean, at this stage, having a baby, having a
you.
full-time job, and then you doing your daily household chores,
And your family is not
finding
quick to
that
you.
one thing that you're passionate about. Yes. So yeah, it was one thing that it didn't take me a minute to decide, okay, I want to go for it.
Hmm.
So yeah, I'm really grateful.
So thank you very much, Priyanka, for sharing, because there are a lot of people around the world, some of the viewers who um, just wait throughout their life to click that moment and passion. And we are very blessed and lucky that we have gurus in our life. Me, Sakshi, and very blessed. Yes, thank you. Priyanka, you have some questions for Sakshi ji?
Yes. So
Or
Sakshi ji, I
bombarded with
have seen.
questions today. But, please.
Yeah, and I would definitely like to take this opportunity to know more about you, Sakshi ji, and to know more about Kathak as a dance form. So I learned from Acharya, and I have also looked up about your profile. You have performed on a lot of festivals, on a lot of stages. So I wanted to know, um, what was that event or stage that you always aspired to perform on, right? So like if you're a cricketer, you always want to play the World Cup. That is one thing that you always want to do. So in terms of Kathak, right? In terms of your journey, what was that stage, or what is that stage that you always want to perform on? That's the one dream for.
Actually, if I remember, like from past performances, like I performed in Kamani in Maharaji's birthday,
Hmm.
Khajuraho Festival. So I think there are some of the prestigious stages that I've already, I think, performed on. But
Wow.
whenever I went on the stage, I never saw like where the stage is, like with the, like, in front of whom I'm performing. I never saw that. Whenever I went on the stage, always had one thing in my mind: to never let down my Guruji, and I still have that.
Very beautifully
So
said.
I never look on like what stage is Maharaji is sitting, or a layman is sitting, or whoever is sitting.
Yes.
Still, I have that. I should never let down my Guruji.
Yeah.
So
So
I don't
beautiful.
have any dream. If you ask me, I don't have any dream. Like to have to perform on that stage or that level or that thing.
Right.
It's good to have that thing, but I want, when I stand there, I should never let down anybody, like regarding my
Indeed.
parents, my Guruji, anybody there.
Yeah,
So
whatever you have said, Sakshi, has really touched the hearts. It's very heartfelt to know from you, and I personally believe that an artist always want to connect with whoever is watching him or her. The connection is more important than wherever you are.
performance.
Yeah, with this, Priyanka, stay with us. We are going to watch Jhula, and I would like Sakshi ji again to explain a Jhula part to our viewers. Yes.
Jhula is the song that is being sung by the women of North India while they're playing with the swings in the rainy season.
Wow.
Yeah, that describes about the romantic mood between the Radha and Lord Krishna.
Wow.
So the presentation is Jhulat Radhe Naval Kishore. That has been written by Bindani Maharaj ji, and it is sung and composed by Birju Maharaj ji. Tal Rupak, 7 beats.
Wow.
So I think you'll enjoy.
Yes, yes, definitely. So I'll tell viewers that another type of tal is Rupak tal, which has 7 beats, and this Jhula is curated and made in that tal. And we are going to witness a beautiful Kathak performance on the Jhula part. And thank you so much. And let us watch. I'm sure, not only sure, I'm absolutely sure that everyone, each of us who was watching that was like speechless, spellbound, and what an expression you have created in the Jhula, and especially the last moment, the last point.
Thank you so much.
Priyanka ji, do you have to say anything about the Jhula, which is a variety, the first time that from the episode that we have watched right now?
Right. I mean, this is the first time I'm watching or learning about Jhula, and it just felt like, okay, I have to learn that. It was so beautiful.
Yeah, because everything, everything we see, then we say, oh, okay, this is I have to learn. So this is I have to learn. This is I have to learn. So this is how our life will. So, so the learning part never ends. Yes,
It's endless. No age to
endless.
start, no age to stop also.
Yes, very beautifully said. Thank you. I know that you have other interests also, Sakshiji, like you have like in aerobics or folk dances,
But
then Zumba
I do
also.
have that. I want to like not learn, but yes, just to
Yes,
go and hang out there and
yes.
do it with people. But really, if you say that if I want to learn it, like
Mhm.
professionally not, but at least at a good
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 level.
thing, but
Mhm.
good level. But it's there is no cling to do that.
Yes,
Western
yes,
dance, folk
right.
dance, to go to a
This
level or to
actually,
learn like that. I
yes,
never had that.
right. I think
I
it
still
creates a
don't have
base
it.
for everything, a foundation
I still
for,
don't have that cling to go towards that Western.
yes,
People said that you dance well, Kathak, so you should try to go like for more dance
yes,
forms also. You should learn them also. It
right.
will be helpful for you. I said, okay, I don't want to because I don't enjoy that. Like for a moment, it is okay. For
Yes,
like half hour I've done, 1 hour I've done, okay, fine.
right.
But I don't want to continue learning it like that.
Yes, thank you very much for sharing that. Priyanka ji, if you have any questions for Sakshi ji, I'm sure you must be very wonderfully sitting in a posture and just watching her performance of one after the other.
That's what, and I'm so ready to watch the next one. And thank you so much, Sakshi. It's all beautiful performances, and it's so nice to talk to you.
So
Thank
it's
you
in
so
the
much. Same
morning
here.
here in USA, and we are already charged up. So after this performance in the morning, especially and the holy events and holy days. So thank you very much, Priyanka, for joining with us, and it was so pleasure to talk to you. And thank you
Yeah,
for your questions for
thank you so
Sakshi.
much, Acharya, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much, Sakshi ji. Best
Thank
of luck.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, Sakshi ji, now we are going to have your the last part, which is called Tarana,
Yes.
and I can see the smile in your face when we see Tarana. And yes, again, yes, if you can say a few words, explain in your words to our
Yes.
viewers.
My next presentation is Tarana.
Mhm,
That is, it's a composition in Hindustani classical music where certain words are used which has no meaning.
mhm.
It's again the technical part of Kathak dance.
Yes.
So the meanings like words like tadim, tanana,
Mm-hmm.
they have like no meaning.
No meanings.
So that is Tarana, that the technical part of Kathak dance. And
It's
it's in tal,
repeated.
ek tal, 12 beats.
Ektal 12 picks. Yeah, I would like to say to the people who don't know much about Tal. So Ektal is actually have 12 beats, and it is also one of the Tal that we have discussed. So it was a very variety of performance that we have from you, Sakshi ji, on Teen Tal, Ektal,
Rupak.
and yes, Rupak Tal. So yes, I'm eagerly waiting for the next performance from you. Uh, okay, let me play. Sakshiji, what a power and a grace. It's a beautiful combination of these two, beautiful talent that you have. And I'm so happy that you are into this Kathak journey, because I can see when you follow your heart, you have the glow in your face, everything, every part of your body actually is totally inclined towards it, I would say.
Yes, that actually makes you happy. You're always, rejuvenated.
Yes, and when you
Never,
feel happy, you spread happiness, like you have spread happiness to all of us in the morning.
you will never
Yes,
feel old.
yeah, that's yes, that is true. That is true. I just wanted to ask you, because you have been such an inspiration. That is your story, that you have left your master's in philosophy to pursue this career. So sometimes, do you have any point in your life, do you repent that you have left in your different career, and you have chose this path? Do you repent any point of your time, ki if you would have done MA in philosophy, you would have been somewhere else? And I mean, because this is a very important part which most of the people who wanted to pursue in this field, or even in any field, like not in Kathak, in any, they do a double check with their own self. So yeah.
When I chose MA in Kathak,
Hmm.
and till now, like when I started, I did not know that I'll pursue it as a career. It was
Yeah,
just my cling towards it, that I loved doing it. So I just started doing it. So
right.
now when I chose MA in Kathak, until now, I have no regrets. I'm like happiest. When I see my friends and everybody, I feel like I'm the happiest person now.
Wow, that's
Because while
okay.
teaching, performing, you're happy. You know that the art gives you happiness if you do
Yes,
it by heart. When if you love
yes,
it,
yes.
so I have no regret in my life.
That's
I'm
what I was
happy that I
saying.
rushed my father to the institute.
Oh, yes, yes, you told. That is what I was saying, Ryan, right in the start of our episode, that if you have one gift from the God, be that gift to the world. And that is what you are, a very beautiful example of that. And
Thank you.
welcome. What you want our viewers to know about your present work that you are doing with Kathak, Olekar, what are you doing presently?
Right now, I'm teaching into teaching, performing to when COVID will like
Yes,
little get over. Obviously, we'll connect on stage also.
right. We
Right now,
missed
we
that
connected.
stage performance.
Yes, we badly miss it
Yes,
actually.
yes.
Yes. Right now I'm teaching, certainly doing that.
Mhm.
And obviously, I want to do much and more in the field. I
Yeah,
want more people to it. I wanted to reach out to more people,
yeah,
and they also like get to know about it, start learning it, not to pursue as a career, but just to learn it, the art
yeah.
form that we have, the Indian
Yes.
classical form that we have,
Whoever wants to have to
wants
crave
to
for
learn it.
that.
Yes.
Yes. Very
And then in
beautiful.
future, I want to go, like I have to be great in the Doordarshan. I want to go like upper grading myself now.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
been 2 3 years. I want to apply for that.
Wow. That's beautiful. We were eagerly
It's
waiting,
working
and
hard.
we wish you all the best for everything that you do
Thank
in
you.
your this beautiful journey. I would like to also to you and the viewers to watch one of my youngest student.
Okay.
She is Vaishnavi Shetty, and she's 8 years old. She has been learning Kathak since 1.5 years back only, and a very basic foundation, and still learning the basic. Um, and she's trying her best, very hardworking, dedicated. It's a बहुत छोटा सा part है. It's very small part. She has tried on ek dantya vakratundaya.
Oh,
And
that's nice.
yeah, so I would like you to see and please say some words for her. And
Yes,
I
yes,
would
for
also
sure.
request our viewers to watch her beautiful performance. Uh, yeah, yes. So yes, we can. Sakshi ji, please.
And she's performed very, very well. I feel like very happy when I see such toddlers now.
Yes.
And the main thing that I noticed about her is smile. It's very difficult to make students smile on the stage.
Yes.
She was continuously having that small smile and very accurate as you have taught her. She was very good, very beautiful.
Thank you so much for your this motivational words from you. Really matters a lot to the young artists, kids, and living here in USA, it's very difficult to make them understand this very authentic Ek Kantya Vakradunda, like the Sanskrit words that they use. The meaning of that, every phrase has its own meaning. So it was very difficult and challenging for her, but I'm so happy that she tried at least some part of it.
She did very good, very good.
I'm happy for her.
Accurate that as you've taught, and like walking there, looking there, everything. The hastas,
Yes.
it's very difficult
Yes,
to make them learn that.
yeah, and I would say hardworking and dedicated, and yeah, that is from the small age that we see a sapling, and that it will grow like a tree. Thank you.
Yes.
And I would like you at last to really I would like you to share about what message you want to give to the young generation, or even the generation, or the adults who are in this journey. Any message from your side?
My one thing that I've seen from like my surrounding, that I've learned, that I want to share, is that you be in any field, you're in corporate, you're in art field, where you're sitting at home, whatever it is, wherever you're working, I want that you never compete from the other person.
Yes.
Always compete from yourself, right? To make yourself better. Because I have been like that with myself. When I see my performance like 6 years back, I'm like, oh God, really bad. This moment is like that. the stage that I stand now.
Yes, but when you see after, yes.
It's like pathetic. बहुत ही गंदा है. But yes, now I always see my back performances and how I was. That is very much important. People see, she is doing much better. She is doing that. He is doing that.
Yeah.
Focus on yourself and make yourself better day by day within yourself also, from your heart also, and through your art or wherever you're working. Please don't get jealous that the people have in their
I
heart.
really
Never be
appreciate
that.
you for taking this point, because I am very happy that you took this point, in fact, from the deep corner of my heart. Because right from the childhood, we have been conditioned to compete, because in school also only one kid will become like number one, this and second rank, third rank. So right from the childhood, we are, it's a unconsciously, subconsciously, we are conditioned to compete. So that actually goes here, and very beautifully said that competing will never make us go anywhere. It's only
This I got from my parents. They never forced me to get something.
Yeah.
They said, what is your capability? You will do till that only. If you are fifth, I cannot make you first. You have that capability, and that is beautiful in itself. You don't have to be that one, because one is one. Everybody cannot become one also.
Yes.
Be happy on the fifth position.
Very beautiful.
That is also true. I never get any pressure from their side also.
Thank you very much, actually, for a wonderful chat that we had with you, and some inspirational talks. And no doubt to let's say that a beautiful performance and graceful performance that you have done. I take leave from you, and thank you very much for joining to us episode 2, and in the the late hours in India.
Thanks to you that you invited me. Thanks to Pradiptu Dada that he invited me for this auspicious day, on this auspicious day also. Before Holy Eve that we say. I'm really glad. I'm really obliged also. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, everyone, for viewing us. And I hope that, again, we got something to learn about ourselves, our inner self, our art, and everything that we do around us. And this is our second episode. The third episode will be aired on next Saturday, which is April 3rd, and at the same time, which is 11 a.m. EST zone, American East Zone time, and 8:30 p.m. India time. Please be with us and watch us. We will be again coming back with a new story, new inspiration and motivation, and beautiful performance. Thank you very much. Namaskar.